Wow, look at you wearing Juliana's shirt. Dance, Peter! Dance, Aaron! Dance! Dance! Dance, Rosalie! Good job! Scoot back just a little bit. Scoot back. Just a little bit. Scoot back, Daniel. Daniel, scoot back. Back. Daniel. There you go. Move that chair out of the way. Does it go like this? Come on, Daniel. Come on, Peter, move. Dance. Ow. Aaron, you whacked me in the arm with that. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. Ouch. 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 Watch your fingers. Ouch. You watch your fingers? Good boy.
Good boy, Aaron.
Peter. Stop. You're right in the, well, you're right in the way, honey. Good job, Rosalie. Keep going, keep going. Peter, don't throw that at the light. What's up there? See what? He says, I'm not performing on cue. A what?
A clipboard.
I know where several clipboards are.
Where are they?
In the white cabinet, in the box.
White cabinet.
White cabinet. Bye. Have fun. Bye, Peter. Have fun. You go, Daniel. Aaron. Stop. You little turkey boy. Put those back in there. Put those back in there. Put those back in there. Put it back. There we go. Put it back. Close the drawer. Thank you. Thank you. Was that fun?
I down with it now. I put it in my master's part.